Right, spectator, stop anytime. Stop, alright. Maybe your cards king of diamonds. It's really free. Your king of diamonds, putting her like this. Snap my finger, now this king of diamonds jump top of the deck. Yes, it's really crazy. I repeat, look. Snap, and now king of diamonds jump top of the deck. It's really crazy. Let's learn. Maybe you remember 10 of diamonds. It's really free. Yo, 10 of diamonds, putting her like this, snap my finger, 10 of diamonds, jump top of the deck. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really crazy double lift. Yes guys, it's really unbelievable, it's really crazy because your cards turnover, spin, air, it's really crazy. It's really unbelievable move. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, liking this video right now. Of course, you maybe share this video because I teach you really crazy double lift. And now write this comment, yes. And next step, I teach you this really crazy move. Let's go. Alright, for this trick, you make a double lift. Yes, it's really crazy. Spectator, stop anytime. Stop, alright, it's really free. And next step, you turn over 2 cards. Use this finger, count 2 cards, 1, 2, and turn over like this. Alright, this is 2 cards. It's really true. Look, and count 2 cards, 1, 2, and turn over. Alright, look, stop. Alright, and now count 2 cards and turn over 2 cards like this. This is 2 cards. Look, and turn over. Look, use this finger, count 2 cards, 1, 2, and turn over like this. It's really easy. It's really easy. Look, count 2 cards and turn over like this. Alright. And next step, use this finger, take these 2 cards and move it like this. Alright. This is 2 cards. Look, this is 2 cards. And next step, you drop these cards like this. You squeeze these cards like this, and now use this finger, putting her like this. This finger squeeze these cards, and this finger squeeze these 2 cards. And next step, you take these cards, use this finger and this finger and this finger, right? And now you move it like this. Your hand move it like this, and now you push these cards like this. Right? Look, really easy. This is 2 cards. Move it like this and turn over. Right? This is 2 cards. Look, I repeat. This finger, take these 2 cards. Now you squeeze these 2 cards and take these 2 cards, this finger and this finger. Right? And next step, you move it like this. And now use this finger, relax. And now you drop these 2 cards. Right? Look, 2 cards and relax. And 2 queen, turn over. 2 cards, I'm sorry, turn over. Look, take, squeeze, push it, and relax. Alright? It's really easy. Stop, alright. It's really free. Count 2 cards, turn over 2 cards, of course this is 2 cards. Now you show this 8 of hearts, and now use this finger, take 2 cards, alright? And now you squeeze 2 cards, alright? And now you relax. Where you relax this hand and move it like this. And these 2 cards turn over like this. It's really nice. It's really crazy. Look, this is Ace of Hearts. This is Ace of Hearts. This is Ace of Hearts. Of course, this is 2 cards, right? Look, it's really crazy move. Alright, I repeat, spectator, stop anytime. It's really free. Count 2 cards, turn over 2 cards, alright? And now you move it like this, squeeze, move it like this, and relax. And 2 cards, air, and turn over. It's really crazy double lift. It's really true. Look, I repeat. This is 9 of clubs. Look, your 9 of clubs, putting her like this, snap my finger. Your 9 of clubs, jump top of the deck. It's really crazy move. Look, I repeat. stop, alright. Take 2 cards, turn over. This is king of hearts. Make move like this. Make move like this. Squeeze, push these cards, make move like this, and relax. Alright? Look. And 2 cards turn over. Take these random cards, this king of diamonds, put in her, squeeze, and your king of hearts. Jump top of the deck. It's really crazy effects, yes. And next step, use this finger, count 2 cards. Take these 2 cards like this, and now you make a switch. You turn over these 2 cards, and this card show it like this. And spectators think this is king of hearts. Look, I repeat, this is king of hearts, jump top of the deck. It's really crazy effects. Count 2 cards, take these 2 cards, alright? And now you move it like this and make a switch. It's really crazy switch. Look, this is king of hearts, take these 2 cards. And now you make a switch like this. Of course, this is not king of hearts. And these cards put in horse, squeeze, snap your finger, and show it king of hearts. Yes, it's really crazy. It's really true. It's really unbelievable effects because you teach this really nice double lift, because this is king of spades, snap your finger, yo 5 of clubs. It's really crazy. It's really true. Thank you for watching my videos. See you later.